tõesti väga ilus rongijaam. Ja sealt kaugelt sa näed mingit mäge.
Ja, genau. Also er hat mir die Datei geschickt. Ich drucke jetzt ein paar Programme aus. Was denkst du, 40 Stück reicht das?
Joo.
Sa raamatid see lõpupohjal juba?
Joo. Ma vist alguses ma olin kuskil siin või see on liiga hea.
Tore teate, et Stuttgardis on fire brigade operation. Midagi. Ehk siis meie rongena võib teatur Stuttgardis. Aga me pidime seal maha minema.
Jah, et sõita Karlsruhesse.
Ja, seega me lihtsalt sõidab järgmisesse peatusesse ja loodame parimat, sest sealt peaks mingid rongid tulema, aga mis peame kohe kaua ootama. Aga kas me saame mingi päkeläist mingeid asju võtta ja...
Jah, selles mõttes täna õhtuks võiks jõuda.
Jah, ei ma olen õnnelik, et täna on päev, et me läksime hommikul, et kui oleks mingi kell mingi 8 juba ja siis me peaks mingi 45 ringi tegevuseks liitu. Aga... hetkes siis Heidelberg ja siis sealt Karlsruhesse. Aga see on esimene kord, kui meil on midagi sugust juhtunud.
Jah, sest et Austria lihtsalt vaata töötab nagu kellavärk. Austria, seakool, kõik peab olema korrektne. Ja nüüd me oleme Saksamaal.
Aga kõik on segaduses vist.
Vist küll. Pigem on see küsimus, et nagu... Kas kõik jõudsid roomist?
Ei, minu arvust ei pea. Sest see läheb nagu Frankfurt edasi ju.
Jaa.
See on nii õige mingi interreilimise lõid.
See on väga õige lihtsalt. Ei, tegelikult ma ütleks, et kogu kompott on päris hea.
Mingid villiplaastrid peaksid ka veel olema nagu, näe. Nüüd on super. Me saime liikuma ja kui see asi tõtt räägib, siis me oleme vähem kui 20 minuti pärast Heidelbergis ja sealt saame loodetavasti. Siin on selline olukord, et see tuul on kuum. See on soe. Esimene rong, kus meil ei ole istumist. Aga see on fine. Sest on nagu mingi 40 minutit äkki. We have made it to Karlsruhe. We have made it to Karlsruhe.
We have. And the sun is already semi-going down, so that's good.
Ja lähme randa. Me võtsime rattaid ja siis me läheme randa. These pretzels are really good. Hey! So what do you think of swimming?
Yes.
Very needed.
It was very needed indeed.
Oh, by the way, we went to the lake. I don't know if I said.
What time is it? It is 21:35. 21:35.
Yeah, we went to the lake. We biked to the lake with a broken bike. It was quite hard. And now we're going back. Like a lot of people. nii, need on need interrailimise behind the scenes, mida keegi ei näita. mis meil on mingi 5. päev või?
Ma ei mäleta enam.
Igatahes poole peal tripil.
You know what he said?
Fahrrad.
How happy I am that I'm driving the bike.
Oh, good for you.
It's not coming.
It's not coming, yeah.
You were wrong.
No. Yeah. Feelings?
Tired. Where's my train?
Your
I'm
feelings?
feeling very chill. Like, since we have come to Karlsruhe, I've just been like, oh, I'm like a child. Just take me anywhere. Let's do whatever.
Yes, I'm happy.
I'm too.
And I haven't died from the heat. So that's nice.
I almost did when we were biking. At some point I was like, oh, Jesus. But then we entered the shade and I was like, okay, I got this. It's been 40 minutes.
It's been an hour. Yeah, it's been an hour.
Sorry, it's been an hour, guys. Success, guys! We made it!
After 1.5 hours, I think.
We got it!
We hit a deer.
This is getting more and more interesting.
Deer.
Yes, and we're waiting
For something.
yes, for something to do something. And yeah, our bike is there with all our stuff. And it is 23:22. So this night is getting more and more interesting. Yay!
Keruta. Aga enam ei saa teada nii palju.
Ja me oleme näha nii palju.
Me katsetame sidruniga juuste henendamist, striikimist, valgendamist, whatever. Seega meie juuksed lõhnavad nagu sidrun. Ja nüüd me lähme flea market. This is Emma.
Hello. You're on my doorsteps right now.
Yeah, waiting for secret. Because she forgot her money. Spannend. Oh mein Gott, sind die tore.
Soll man es einfach so hergeben, sind sie weg. Also wenn ihr sie haben wollt,
Those.
Oh, I like those even more. Wait, I want to come as well. By far the best. That's really you. Ah, that was amazing. I just think it won't fit. Siiamaani.
Palav.
Jah.
Nagu muidu on okei, aga täna ringi jalutades täna on palav.
Täna on palav. Täna tuleb torm ka.
Yeah.
How you feeling? Hot? Me saime limonaade. Mina sain rosmariiniga. Väga huvitav. Siuke, maitseb nagu rosmariin. Sigri võttis old fashion'i. Mõtled, tunded?
See on taoline limonaad. Väga hea.
Wait, what did you take?
Passion fruit.
Guava passion. Guava passion. How is it?
What?
How is it?
Really good.
Now we're just gonna drink it all.
We're not in a hurry.
Yeah. And then we're gonna go here. And there. And there. And then maybe a siesta.
Echt? Alter, die ist ja voll dran.
Cool.
It's definitely. You could also like wear it around your waist, I feel like.
Terkku. Ooh, yeah.
Like a scarf, like oh
Wie viel für die... We're getting spaghetti ice. Weird. Weird. Mwah.
What is this crazy thing?
And the white chocolate is the Parmesan. Success.
And now you ate spaghetti ice cream.
It was really good.
I mean, that actually doesn't seem too difficult. They just press it through the whatever thing that makes.
Yeah. Gods. We just had a really nice siesta. It was a few hours long. It was really nice.
I do actually feel recharged. Like, somewhat.
Yes.
Like if we would have just continued doing stuff.
Now we're going to the castle. Left. Now we're going left. We're gonna walk around a bit. Castle. And then we have ramen, which I am personally really excited for. I don't know what they were doing. Like for tea. No. Me tulime maailma kõige paremasse raameni kohvikusse.
Jah, kuigi ma valisin veits vale raameni, mul on tunne. See on veits mage. Kõik on, või nagu, kuna ma võtsin nii-öelda külma raameni, siis see puljong oli siin ja ma valasin nüüd selle siia, aga nagu kõik asjad, mis ei olnud nuudlid, mis olid nagu niisama siia pandud, olid kinda magedad, nagu seened on magedad ja see bok choy oli suht mage. Nii et, oh well, aga see nuudlid on väga hea ja puljong on väga hea.
Ja ei, ma võtsin ikka seda, mida ma iga kord võtan. Superior ramen ja ainus soe ramen, mis see on spicy ramen, which is really fucking spicy, but they refuse to say it is.
It really is not spicy.
It is spicy.
It's not
is we also have some chicken. Yeah, I know. I also had chicken and some lemonades, and I had a Coke, and we're getting much ice cream, I think. I don't know, I'm really full.
We're getting ice cream?
No.
What the hell?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Definitely not. At least not me.
Oh wow. Exploding.
You're exploding. We're all exploding. Food baby in there.
I'm surprising well.
Oh, okay.
For now.
The portion was smaller.
Yeah.
Yes. Did we actually get the big portion, or like was it the big one?
I think you did. Do you have my phone?
Yeah.
Breaking into the flat.
Let us in.
Let us in.
I'll have to take this one. Are you gonna?
New family member. You still have to get upstairs.
me mõtlesime, et on igav, seega Sigrid kaotas natuke juukseid.
Ivene.
Yes, ja me hakkame nüüd emma juukseid tarbima.
Ja samal ajal me vaatame helisat muusikat.
Ja ma tulen väga left out.
Kas sa tahad ka midagi ojustega teha?
Äkki ma peaks mingi streaki tegema, mingi tumeda. Ma ei tea, vaata. Mina tahan hennat kindlasti seega. Oleks nagu
Siis sa saad ka midagi.
aus. Number 2, we're dyeing Emma's hair!